Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful smoky eye with a golden glittery eyeshadow on top and also this beautiful red lips. And first of all, I'm starting with a NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer and I'm applying it with a Beautyblender Micro Mini, and I'm just really packing it to my entire eye, pressing it into my skin. And after that, I'm using Dermablend Loose Setting Powder and a Morphe brush number R37 just to set that concealer that we applied. And then I'm taking Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 3 eyeshadow palette in Subversive, and I'm starting with a deep shade that I'm applying with a Morphe brush number R37. And this is my first transition shade, and I'm trying to apply it as close to my eyebrows as possible because I really want it to peek through. And I'm just working with a wipe and shield motion, and I'm just applying this shade until I'm happy with the colors that I want to achieve. So really work out with those edges and blend this eyeshadow until you're happy with the result. After that, I'm taking shade Extreme Black and I'm applying it with a Morphe brush number M504. So I'm really pressing and packing this eyeshadow into my outer corner and also into my inner corner, and I'm just applying several layers until I'm happy with the color payoff. I really want it to be extremely black shade. And then after that, I'm just connecting my inner corner and outer corner in the middle just to create that halo eye look effect. So I'm just applying several layers because I really want it to be stand out and very black, and making sure that all that connection and transition is smooth between our transition shade and this black shade. And to blend those both shades together, I'm using deep shade and a Morphe brush E18, and I'm just blending the edges of the extreme black and also deep shade to make sure that there is a smooth transition and they really blended out and there is no any harsh lines. Just take your time and really work this out to make sure that the deep shade is still showing up on top and all of the edges are blended. And then I'm taking shade Gigabyte and I'm using MAC Cosmetics brush number 239 and just pressing it into the center of my eye to create a halo eye look effect. I really like to apply glimmery or shimmery eyeshadows with this brush because of its shades. It really helps to press them and make that precise application. And I didn't wet my brush and I also didn't apply any concealer or any glitter glue underneath. I'm just pressing this eyeshadow on top of that extreme black shade. And for my lashes today, I'm using my favorite lashes by Huda Beauty in the style Farah. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm using Astral Ghost Orchid shade and I'm applying it with a MAC Cosmetics brush number 219. And for my lower lash line, I'm starting with a deep shade and I'm applying it with a Morphe brush number E36. So I'm just applying several layers because I really want that smoky effect. And after that, I'm taking extreme black shade and with the same Morphe brush, I'm just applying it very close to my lower lash line and making sure that both of the shades are blended and they have a smooth transition. And this is my finished look. For my lips today, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in a shade Date Night, and I think this look is so gorgeous for any date night or glam out. I really hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I just want to wish you a glamorous day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!